Hi folks, welcome to MTS. Today we're going to do an unboxing of an older, a new old stock. That's what we're dealing with here. New old stock. This is a GP7 Burlington passenger set. Number on is 6-31775. It was featured in the 2008 Volume 2 Lionel catalog. So we open the box here, we see it's got the certificate of authenticity. It's got some other instructions, and then I wonder if that's any good. We're just going to go ahead and just take this out and remove these inserts. Now this is part of the Lionel Postwar Conventional Classic series, or PWC. Move that box out of the way, and then here we go. There we go. So it actually features like a replica of what the 1950s style box would look like. It's pretty neat overall. The boxes are supposed to kind of feature that as well. This does have the, looks like 4 passenger cars in here. So it's got the observation car, the illuminated Pullman car, the illuminated Vista Dome car, and the second illuminated Vista Dome car. So this actually has all 4 of the passenger cars. And then we have the locomotive itself. And I'm going to have to, again, we'll get these all unboxed. I'm going to find a knife real quick to get this undone. Bring you right back. Okay, so here we go. So it's got, looks like it's got the insert. Got to figure out how to get this out of here. There we go. I'm just going to keep on doing that. All right. So we have some traction tires, silica gel pack. So it's got 2 cardboard inserts on one side, 2 cardboard inserts on the other side. And then it has this that just went on top of it. Okay. We're going to undo the tape here. And then that reveals the locomotive. I love how it's got that retro looking packaging paper. And there we go, look at that. Brand new. Pretty sure these larger ones went on the bottom and these smaller inserts. Yeah, there we go. I'm missing an insert. I'll have to find that in a little bit, but okay, so set that over there to the side. On with the cardboard. Now the way I understand it, does have the traditional pull-more motor in it. It just has the modern electronics. And it's got sound. So we have the electronic E unit with the one lock, and then we have sound and no sound. Boy, that looks great. All right, we'll go ahead and start pulling the individual passenger cars out. More silica. This is one of the Vista domes. It looks like it came with an extra light bulb, and we'll have to undo those wire ties on the bottom there. This has two of the Vista domes that comes with it. Silica. I think it actually has a shipping label from January of 2015. And I had acquired it, I think about 5 or 6 years ago, maybe even 7 years ago. But it's just, again, just been sitting on the shelf. This is the Clifton. It's the 2442. (2446). This is the observation car. Oh, there goes our extra headlight, or extra bulb. That looks great. The Summit 2446. And then finally, we have the illuminated Pullman car. There's a light bulb in there. There you go. This is the new work. Well, it looks great. Okay, I'm going to get these twist ties off of the truck assemblies, and we'll set it up on the layout and run it around the layout a few laps. And I was going to try to just untwist these, but okay, and I'll do that with the other 4 passenger cars. All right, folks, so we've got it all set up on the layout. We're going to go ahead and give it, apply some power and get this thing around the layout a few laps.
Well, there you have it, folks. Some modern post-war with some traditional post-war. Really pleased with the Burlington post-war
Post-war
celebration
conventional
with
classics.
passenger set. I'm glad to have it in my collection. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you down the line.